Hi, my name is Zain. Today I'm going to present SocialSpark, a native Android application developed for IMAD5112. This application serves as a social interaction assistant for a user named Clara, providing personalized sparks or suggestions based on the time of day. Let's take a look at the design and the core features of the user interface. The user interface was designed using a constrained layout to ensure responsiveness across various screen sizes. I've utilized material design components including a text input edit text for user input, as seen over here, and structured buttons for actions, as seen over here and here. The layout is intentionally minimalistic to ensure that the core features such as inputting a time and receiving a suggestion always remains the central focus. With the interface explained, I'll now demonstrate how the application's logic works in practice. The core functionality is driven by a Kotlin when statement. As you can see, when I input morning, for instance, and then click on Get My Spark, the app prompts start the day right, send a good morning message to a family member. Changing the input to afternoon now, and then clicking on the button, the app updates and suggests time for fun, share a funny meme or link with a friend. I've also implemented validation, so for instance, if the text field is empty, which I'm going to do so now, and then clicking on the button, the app prompts, please enter a time, e.g. morning, to find your spark. Moving on from the user-facing side, I like to highlight the technical implementation and background process. As part of my testing, I've also implemented manual logging to monitor the application's internal state. Here in the Logcat window, as you can see, the debug log that confirms every time a spark is successfully generated, as seen over here, as well as over here, and finally over here. Furthermore, to support my professional development standards, I've configured a CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions. This YAML file automates the build process, running a symbol debug command at every time code is pushed to ensure a functional APK is always available. To wrap things up, let's head back to the app for the final demonstration. Finally, the reset button. The reset button clears the user data for a fresh new interaction. This concludes my demonstration of SocialSpark. Thank you again for your time.